Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can change the prices of your Spreadshirt Shop products individually and in bulk. Well, there are many factors that help getting the attention of potential buyers, and offering compatible prices is one of them, which you can always check on your competitor's website or by doing a market survey. Well, whatever the prices may be, you're the one who knows what exactly you are offering and what its price should be. So to update the prices of your products on your shop, sign into your shop, which is Spreadshirt Shop in my case, then click on your Spreadshirt Shop name, and under prices and promos, go to show pricing. And here you can change the prices of your products. Well, on this page, you have base price, which is basically the production price of the product. Then you have the margin, which you will get if you make a sale. And then the last one is the retail price, which you will sell your products on to get the mentioned margin. Well, by default, the margins are set by the Spreadshirt Shop platform according to the market demand. But you sure can change them anytime you want. So to change the prices individually, just click in here and change the prices according to your need. And as soon as you will change the prices of a product, the margin will reset automatically. But changing the prices of all the products one by one will take a lot of time because there are more than 250 products. And if you feel like the prices you set are not competitive, you sure can reset them to the default prices by clicking here and saving them. Anyhow, to change the prices of all the products in one go, download the sample CSV file by clicking here. Now open the sample pricing file you just downloaded in the form of CSV format. And save it as an Excel workbook. Now close this file and open the new file you just saved as an Excel workbook. Now we have all the data in just one column, which we need to separate. So select the column and under Data tab, click on Text Columns. Here click on Next, and here you can see that the data in the column has been separated using semicolons. So just select semicolon and click on Next. Here, select the destination cell and click on Finish. And here you can see that the data has been separated. Now add a column and name it Final Prices. Then start a formula by adding an is equal to sign and select the base price and then add the margin you want and hit enter. And here you can see that the price of this product has been adjusted. Now send this formula down by double clicking on this corner. Now since this is a formula, you need to convert it into values. So select the whole column and right click on its border and drag it away. And then leave it back on the top of the same column and select copy here as values only. And here you can see that it's been changed to values. Now delete the rest of the columns we don't need anymore. Now press F12 key and save this file as a CSV file or comma delimited file. Now go to your shop and upload the file you have just saved after adjusting the prices. And as soon as it will be uploaded, the margin column rate will change. And here you can see that it's been changed to what we have kept while adjusting the prices. And then just click on save. And this is how you can change the prices of your Spreadshirt Shop products individually and in bulk. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.